Here's how to lower the file size in OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio, then select Settings. Start by opening the Video tab. Make sure your output resolution matches the resolution you plan to upload. For example, if you're uploading in 1920 by 1080, use that same resolution in OBS. Next, set the FPS to 30 if you're recording tutorials or general content. If you're recording gameplay, you may want to keep it at 60 frames per second. Now open the Output tab and go to the Recording section. Set the recording format to MP4. Next, get to the Streaming tab. Under the encoder settings, set the bitrate to around 3500 kbps. In general, a bitrate between 3000 and 6000 kilobits per second provides a good balance between video quality and file size. Lower bitrates create smaller files, while higher bitrates increase quality but also increase storage requirements. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, click OK. That's all for this video. Thanks.